Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Excel channel. Today we going to see about sort function. This sort function has been newly added in the Office 365 application. Before we used to use this sort function under data tab, we have a custom sorting option. So whatever the data we need to sort, we will use that sort command to sort the data in the respective field. Now, this function we are getting through a formula. We have two formula, one is sort and another one is sort by function. Today we going to see this through 5 example. Don't skip a video because from example number 1 we will sort with a custom sorting option, and second we are going to see through a formula. Third, we will use a advanced sort function, and if we get an error that we going to see in our fourth example how to overcome it. And fifth is our bonus trick. We going to use filter function along with a sort function. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the first example. We're going to use a custom sorting command through a data tab. Let's see how it works. So this is our yesterday Olympic medal data. You can see data of 2nd August 7 AM IST time. We have a data according to country wise. Now we going to use a sort option, and we going to sort the data according to gold, largest to smallest, then according to silver, next largest to smallest, then next according to bronze, largest to smallest. Let's see how we can do that. Select the entire data, then in data sort option. So first what is required here, we have to sort a data according to gold, largest to smallest, then again add level, then silver, we are going to sort a data largest to smallest, then again add the level, bronze, we are going to sort largest to smallest, then finally if all are same, we are going to sort a name A to Z. Okay. Now you can see our result. So China on top, then next to that America, USA, then third Japan. Now we are going to use a sort function through formula in our next example. Let's see the example number 2, Excel sort function. So here now we are going to use a sort formula. Now we are going to choose the country who have a highest number of medals, equal to sort, then select an entire array. So now we are going to sort what? Highest number of medals. That means based on the total. So we have to see the column of the total. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth column. You will find the total. 5, and you have to sort the data highest number of medals. So highest to smallest. -1 descending. Then you have to sort according to row for, then close bracket. Now you will see the result. Now you can see in example number 1, China on top, USA in second place and Japan in third place. But if you see according to total number of medals, USA will be in first, China will be in second, and Russia will be in third. So now in our next example we will see how this custom sorting option can be done through a formula. Example number 3, sort multiple criteria by using sort by function. Now we are going to see this formula. Now equal to sort by, we are selecting the entire array, and first what we have to sort, bold highest middle to lowest middle -1. Then second we going to sort silver highest middle to lowest middle. Then third we going to select bronze highest middle to lowest middle. Then enter. Now you can see the result here. Same like this custom sorting result. We received a data first China, USA, Japan. You can see first China, USA, Japan. And what is the difference between custom sorting and sorting which we enter through a formula? Suppose in case I am typing here Australia like 70 gold medal. Now you can see the result here, they will be in top. In custom sorting, once you enters the data, it will not sort automatically. We have to go and do every time. But if you enter through a formula, whenever you update your data, immediately the result will get changed. Now we are bringing as it is. Now next, as per example number 2 and example number 3, what is the difference? Sort and sort by function. In sort function, you can give only one condition. Either you can sort out any one column or any one row. But in sort by function, you can select multiple number of columns and multiple number of rows. That is the biggest advantage in sort by function. Now we can go to our next example, spill error. Spill error, how to overcome the spill error. Now let's see the example. So now same, we are going to use sort function, and we are going to sort your data according to highest number of medals. Sort, select the entire array, then fifth column we are going to sort according to total number of medals according to descending order, and we are going to sort by row. Then close bracket. Once when I hit enter, it throws the spill error message. That means some of the data which are getting hidden here. Now if you look at your data here, it looks clean. But if you see, if you get a spill error, that means some data has been hidden here. Here if you look here, there is Australia, but you can't be able to see the font. It's in white font. So now we are changing to black. So now it is visible. Now we are going to delete the data, but still it throws an error. Now that means some of the content got hidden here. Yeah, now if you look here, India. So, but it is in black font only, but still it's not visible. That means they have hidden through a formatting content in customs. Now here, if you look in customs, this is the hidden content. Now I am deleting. Now it looks visible. Now I am going to delete. Now you can see the result here. Now you will get a result. So you have to make sure when you enter a sort formula, you have to make sure there is no data inside the table. If there is no data, then definitely you will get a result. If you are getting any spill error, that means some of the content is there in your data. So make sure to erase all the data inside the table and you can enter your formula. Now we can go to our next example, a bonus trick. Example number 5. This is our bonus trick function. Now we are going to use sort by function and filter functions together. Let's see the example. Now here I need the result based on team and I need only total. I don't want gold, silver, bronze. I need only the highest number of medals country wise. Let's see. We are going to use sort by function. We are going to select an entire array, comma. We are going to sort according to highest number of medals, array 1, comma, minus 1, according to descending order. Close bracket, enter. Now when I enter, it throws the entire array. So that is the reason now we are going to use filter function to avoid unwanted columns. So now we need only team name and total. So we are going to use filter function, filter, and whatever result we got in sort by, that's an array. Now we are going to give a condition which includes the argument either it's true or false. Now we need column number 1, so we are going to give 1 means true and we don't want gold, so 0 means false. We don't want silver, 0 means false. We don't want bronze, 0 means false, and we need the total, 1 means true. If you want to see the filter function, see my previous video, you will know about how the filter function works. Now I am going to close a bracket and I am going to give enter. Now you can see result. We will get result only team name as per total. So this is an amazing function you can use in your daily analysis. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.